Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how I fixed my power outlets in my 2002 Lexus LX470. For some reason they stopped working and I found out that it was due to the fuses. Okay, so the power outlets that stopped working are this one here and this one near the DVD player. This power outlet actually was not broken. It's actually a old cigarette lighter that has its own fuse. So this one kept working. And also this one in the back also stopped working. So they are all connected. So looking at the manual, the fuse box for the power outlet is under the driver's side kick panel, which is number 3 here in the book, and the layout for the fuse box is shown here. And if you go to the next page here, which is 323, it shows that the power outlet is fuse number 43. So you go to the driver's side kick panel, which is underneath here. Hopefully you can see this very well. And this is the fuse box. You just pop that one open and it is the far fuse on the bottom line, fuse number 43. And the replacement is this kind. It's 15 amp. And just make sure that the one you are replacing is actually broken. How to find out if it is broken or not. In this page here it shows an example of a good fuse and a broken one, where you can see it's broken there in the middle. And this is an example of a good one. And again, you need 15 amps according to the manual. Hopefully this helps someone fix this problem, and until next time, thank you.